Make sure you get out the trash, okay?
This is what it becomes being a housewife. What am I thinking about, Holly?
Oh, and you can't go that way. You got to come back. Come back this way. Come on. Yeah, you tangled up. Come on. Come back this way. Come on. Come this way. Come this way. Lord, child. Do this way, child. This way. Go. Now, you got it. Go. Oh, Lord. You're doing a great job. Uh-huh. Nana, come get right here. Come get right here. You see this little, look at that little bit. Get that. Honey, sure. Go down the hallway. Come here. Come back this way. Come here. Come here. Oh, get right here. You got shit.
Come on, Mama.
Come get it. Come. This child crazy. And now get your ass up. And get it. Okay, you better act like you know. Go ahead.
Get that. Pick it up.
And you just keep throwing stuff down for her to get.
Right there. She a housekeeper.
She look like a housekeeper. Now get them crumbs
She
up.
worked for Elliot. Down at the beach.